Don't we all just love an intense smoky eye? I know I do, and I've brought to you just the hack that will make your eyeshadow go from this to this. And if you're worrying about blending it, then don't, because it will blend itself. And if you want to know what this hack is, then let's get started. I'm starting out by applying some sticky tape to get those dramatic straight edges. And I'm priming my lids with a deeper shade of concealer. This one's LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Having a deeper concealer as a base makes your eyeshadow looks more intense. And I'm going to set it with a bronzer. This one is by L'Oreal. Now for the fun part, I'll be taking a small amount of this metallic brown eyeshadow and I'll be adding a little bit of primer into this. I'm using an aloe vera gel because that's more universal. You can add any clear primer that you have in your stash. And this is how the eyeshadow swatched on my hand earlier, and this is how it swatches after. It automatically turns more brighter and pigmented. Now let's try it with some shimmery shades. I'm adding this shimmery cool shade to the primer, and here how it swatches before and here how it swatches after. Now let's see how they perform on my eyes. I'll be using a flat brush. As for this shimmery gold shade, it glides on seamlessly on my lids without giving me the hassle of fallout, and don't worry about it creasing as it dries off very quickly. Onto the deep brown shade, I only had to dip in once and it packed a punch, and you can see the pigment payoff on my lids. And as for blending these eyeshadows, I am placing this muted brick gold eyeshadow in between, and because it's so creamy in consistency, it will blend itself. To line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. Very quickly, I'll be taking off the tape and cleaning up underneath my eye with a lighter shade of concealer. For my lower lash line, I'm using the bronzer by L'Oreal I used earlier. And for my waterline, I'm using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery gold shade. To finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something from it, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.